I'm going to describe how to create AI art using DALL-E 2 and Python. The program will prompt the user to enter a description of the art. Here I've typed in art in graffiti style with man and dog and mouse. The code will call the DALL-E 2 API, generating the image, and then the image is then downloaded into a file locally. Here you can see the art that was generated for my description. To be able to do this, you'll need to sign up with OpenAI. You go to openai.com and sign up for DALL-E 2. Once you've signed up to OpenAI, you'll need to log on, and in the top right hand corner you'll see Personal, and if you click on that, View API Keys, and you'll need to create an API key. Make a copy of this and keep this safe, as we'll be using this in our program. You'll need to pip install OpenAI and requests. You import the packages, and then using the key you saved from earlier, you set the API key in the code, and you create a prompt to ask the user to enter a description of the art they would like generated. You then call OpenAI image create, passing in the description. Here n is a number of different images you would like created based on that description, so I'm asking only for one, and you can also enter the size. The response from the call is a URL where you can obtain the image that's been generated. We then call request get, passing in the URL to download the image. To write the image to a local file, I've created an out file name using a timestamp. I then write the response content to that file name locally.